Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to run Figma faster if you're lagging. So how can you fix this issue? Now step one is just go to if you're using the web browser Figma, if you're using Figma through the browser, either it is Chrome or Edge, avoid this and use it through the application of Figma. Just go to the Google on the Chrome or the Edge and search here Figma, press enter, and you will see the official website of Figma. So from this section, just click on this section called downloads. Just click on downloads, and once you click on downloads, so just scroll down and you will see all the applications available for download. So you can just directly download desktop app for Mac OS or Windows. Just click on it and it will basically start downloading. As you can see, it has started downloading, so you can just download the app and install it and try to run, and hopefully your lag issue will be fixed to some level. But let's say that you're still facing the issue. The second thing that you can try is inside this Figma, if you're using the app or desktop mode. So let's say like this is the my project. Let me just open it. And once I double click it, so it has opened. Wait until it completely loads. And once you see this section, like this is a kind of demo website which I have made. So if you want to preview it, just do not do it through this method by which I did. Avoid this one. Let's say let me just make a project and show you, so you should avoid that issue next time as well. So let me just click on design and design a new project. Basically this will be a random project. I am doing this just to show you. I will add some details as well, but once you add this page, so you can add your design or do whatever you want to do. But on the right side you will see these two options, like either you want to present or either you want to preview. Let's say like this is my let me just add this one, insert instance, agree. You can just add all those details, doesn't really matter. Now as you can see, it has been added. So from this section you just need to choose the preview option instead of present. Like present is at the highest quality, but preview is at the low quality. You can just preview the project, just click on preview, and once you click on preview you can just select it, and after that you will be able to preview, and hopefully your lag issue will be fixed to like 80 to 90%. So hopefully after that you will be able to use it smoothly. So that is all about how you can fix these issues. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.